Hey, what's up guys? This is Dave and this is my 2022 F350 and today we're gonna give it a nice clean wash. Let's get started. We're using the Chemical Guys black car wash kit. Comes with dirt traps, microfiber towels, 2 buckets, soaps, and all the fun stuff. All right, I'm gonna be using the 2 bucket method. Got my bucket set up. Today I'll be using the Chemical Guys black light soap. Should be perfect for black, dark colored vehicles. I'm gonna make this shine. Chemical Guys attachment that I like to use for my hose. Mix our soap. Nice microfiber towel. Dry the whole surface of the car. Alrighty, next up I'm going to use this black light hybrid finish here. You have to apply with the applicator, let it sit for 15 minutes and then wipe it off. Let's give it a try. Couple dabs. Do the whole truck like this. So we got all drying the compound. Looks a little ugly right now, but it's absorbing to the paint. All right, time to wipe it off. I got a new microfiber towel, and let's give it a shot. So as far as I just know, just take off that haze, leave you with a beautiful shine. Wow. So this little before, after, and before. Pretty crazy. Let's do the rest of it. All right, that's looking good now. To finish it off, I'm gonna use this Hydraspeed ceramic quick detailer. Also by Chemical Guys. Spray it on and wipe it. Looking good. Wheels, I like to use this cleaner here, all wheel cleaner, Meguiar's. It dissolves the brake dust nicely, and all I do is just I spray it on from top to bottom. And I let that soak for a little, and then I use a microfiber towel. It's clean, it's just dirty from over all the years, and this little sponge wheel thing to get into all the nooks and crannies. Last but not least, I'm going to use this tire foam shine and finish it all off. That's a wrap. 2 hours in. She's nice and washed. Let me know what you guys think. Slap the like button.